In today's video, we're going to discuss the top 5 reasons not to invest in real estate in 2023. Real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth, but it's important to have the right expectations, financial preparation, and mindset to be successful. So let's jump right into the top 5 reasons why real estate investing may not be the right move for you in 2023. Hi! My name is Koukun and I'm a real estate investor and I run a real estate team here in the Niagara region. If you're interested to learn more about what we do, check out our free beginner's guide to investing in the Niagara region in the comments below. The first reason not to invest in real estate is that it is an illiquid asset. If you think you need your money urgently for any reason, investing in real estate may not be the best option for you. It is not a liquid asset and you may not be able to sell it quickly in case of an emergency. The second reason is that real estate comes with risk. Real estate has a higher expected return because of leverage, but it also comes with a risk of losing money. If you buy at the wrong time and decide to sell shortly after, you can lose a lot of money. However, this risk diminishes over time if you hold the property for the long term, which is why it's important to have a long-term investing time horizon. The third reason is stress. Real estate investing can be very lucrative, but it is not for everyone. If you're someone who struggles to handle stressful situations, real estate investing may not be for you. You may face tenants who don't pay rent, contractors who don't show up, and unexpected maintenance costs. All of these can cause stress, and if you're someone who will sell the property as soon as you're faced with it, real estate investing unfortunately may not be for you. The fourth reason is if you are already over leveraged. If you're someone who has bought quite a bit of real estate over the past few years and find yourself in a position where your portfolio is not cash flowing due to the high interest rates or where the loan to value is getting quite high, now may be a good time to pause further growth and reevaluate if you have staying power. You need to have the ability to hold on to your properties for the long term and not be forced to sell at the worst time if we face further bumps in the road. And finally, if you're looking for passive income, real estate investing may not be for you. It is highly unrealistic to expect to generate passive income right away, especially if you're looking to replace your income you receive from your job right now. Real estate is a great way to build long-term wealth, which can turn into passive income once you pay off the mortgages in the properties or you take out the equity and you put it into other types of investments that may have a more guaranteed cash flow but maybe not as much upside. In the meantime, be prepared to reinvest all the cash flow your property makes into maintenance, vacancy costs, and keeping up the property to make it a solid long-term investment. In conclusion, the top 5 reasons you should not buy real estate in 2023 are that it is illiquid, risky, stressful, requires debt, and does not create passive income. However, for the right person, real estate can be a great investment in 2023. You need to be financially prepared to hold onto the property for the long term, and you need to have realistic expectations. So, are you considering investing in real estate in 2023? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've decided to hold off, let me know your reasoning. Also, if you're interested in investing in the Niagara region, there's a link in the description below to book a complimentary consultation with one of the investment coaches from my real estate team. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more investing content.